And we are live.
Live.
Hello, everyone. Good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching us from. My name is Aziza. I'm an online business owner. I am a finance employee, and I am a digital business owner. Today, I have come with a couple of my business partners also in this business. But before we move on with the topic of today, I would like them to introduce themselves. So, to the right, Katarina, there you go.
Thank you, sis. Hello, everyone. My name is Katarina from Ontario, Canada, and I'm originally from Angola. I'm a wife, a mother, a grandmother, and a healthcare worker. And now I call myself as a digital business owner. I hire myself. Back to you, sis.
All right. So, my dear Abigail, there you go.
Thank you, sis, and thank you to everyone watching us live and those who will be watching the replay. My name is Abigail. I'm originally from Ghana, but currently in the United Kingdom with my family. I'm a nurse by profession, but I added another title to my job, that is a business owner, creating something for myself. So that's all about me, sis. Thank you.
Absolutely. And today, without much ado, I believe we all have seen the topic of today that we want to talk about. You see that we are professionals in our various fields of work, and we also have our digital business running on the side. Now, but we're not leaving it only to that. We want to address a particular topic that we know is affecting everyone. We know that in the world of today, we have realized that even our jobs are not cutting it anymore. Like when we work, many of us work and just live from paycheck to paycheck because of rising bills and rising cost of living. And due to this, many people feel stuck even when they are doing everything right. They are capable. We believe we are capable because we are all educated. We live in the world where we accumulate certificates and we accumulate qualifications and everything because we believe this is what will bring success to us. Not that we don't appreciate what we have, but we have realized that over the years, the way the job world and the way work is being designed is now different. Everything is running differently now. Um, if you would agree with me, my wake up call was during the pandemic when we couldn't go to work and we were stuck at home. And then I was working in the office. I was working in the corporate world then, and suddenly that they switched everything. The way we used to work, they switched everything to home office. So we never had that before. And it came to me. I now realize that, oh, so we could actually work from home those days. So when I now realized we could actually work from home, many people, all the companies that were able to switch to home office for their workers, they were the ones that survived the pandemic period. And that means a revolution has happened in the workspace. Now, the plan for us to work and commute and work hard and make sure that this is the only way we can earn a living has changed. So that means the way we're earning money has changed, and that means there has to be something that has to change also within us and the way we plan our lives, our income, and everything. So what I'm trying to say here is there is a revolution that has happened already. there is a switch that has happened already in the work, in the job life, in the corporate space, because I am a finance professional and I work in the finance. So I'm talking as someone working in the finance. A revolution has happened. So we shouldn't be left behind in this situation now. And that is why we have thought about this topic of today, that many professionals, many people working feel stuck, but they don't know how to take that leap, how where to even turn to, because they are already stuck working so many hours. And that is what we are trying to address today. So I don't know what you have to say also about this topic, Katarina. What do you have to say about this topic? What would you like to tell our viewers?
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you, Azeza. This is a very, very interesting topic. Very interesting topic. Yesterday, I was watching a video on YouTube about about the transformation of the world. How one day everything, even in the healthcare profession, there will be robots taking care of human beings. This is, yes, taking care of human beings. This is where the world is moving. Imagine nowadays that people meet online and they get married. Yes, I have a cousin. She in Africa met a guy in Europe, excuse me, Portuguese. He went back home. He did everything African tradition marriage, and they are married. This is where the world is going nowadays. So everything is online. Why so many stores are closing? Why? The stores are closing. Why? Because the people shopping online. Everybody nowadays shopping online. Why do we have doctors in this business? We have engineers. You'll think, well, I don't know how many degrees. I have a PhD. But guess what? Everybody is going online. Yes. Because the traditional way of working, yeah, is no longer good.
Sustainable.
No, it's not. That's why everybody is going online. If we can do it, age is doesn't matter. Nowadays, you just need to be flexible. You just need to change your mind, go with the flow. Just follow the evolution. How is the world is changing? You think that I have so many degrees, but it's taking me nowhere. You are always at work, working, no time for family. And the income is not even enough to pay all the bills. Why not work from home? If I'm doing it, by the way, I'm gonna turn 59 years old.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
March 11th.
Amazing. You don't
Yes,
look it
March
at all.
11th. If I can do it, and you are 35 years old, you are 40 years old, you are thinking you cannot do it, no, you are wrong. Yes, you can do it. Back to you, sis.
Thank you very much, Sister Abigail. What do you have to say to our viewers about this topic?
Thank you. And you look so beautiful in that age. Oh, amazing.
My God.
And
Thank you.
you know, you reminded me of one celebration that happened not long ago. One woman was 70 years in her business. Yes. And someone might think or ask, what is a 70-year-old woman doing with an online business? That is
Yes.
to show you that the online space has so many capabilities, so many opportunities with no limitations. Yes,
No.
everyone with an open mind, ready to make things work, ready to shift from that old traditional way, is welcomed. You see, so many people, things are happening online. We are shopping online. We are schooling online. We are virtually doing everything online.
Yes.
So it means that space has come to stay. And the earlier you realize that there is an opportunity, you have to take what belongs to you there before everything is taken away, the better for for your future. And this thing for me, it has been a very great eye opener, especially in our business community. When I saw this opportunity, I looked at so many things. And I tell you, every day is another day for me to learn something new, if not from the business community, from the outside world, because it taught me to be open minded, to keep adding value to myself, and everything is being gained in the online space. You go online, you want a book to read, you get a book to read. You want to learn, you get whatever you want in the online space. So, my dear parents, especially my women, please, fathers, young ladies who want a better future, you can never rely on a salary to create wealth. No, our salaries are to pay the bills, but you need to search or do something more. And let me say this, it's not that everyone is on the online space, so you just come. It's not a get rich scheme. You have to put in the work. You have to put in the work. You have to follow a system. You have to be coachable and be able to follow whatever you are taught so that you can, achieve or capitalize on whatever you are gaining. But I tell you, there are great opportunities in the online space. So if you are not searching or if you are looking elsewhere, I am encouraging you to come check out what is happening in the online space and grab what is yours. Thank you, sis.
Says, I can say this is one thing. You see, when we hear from fellow women, or we hear from fellow employees, people who are actually working, actively working, then it begs, we ask ourselves this question, that if they are doing this and they are still combining it with their work, then there must be something in it. And I would suggest to our viewers, whenever you're watching this replay, connect with any of us wherever you find this video. Connect with any of us and ask us, what are you doing, how are you doing it? That's all, and then we will give you all the information. You see, we are all conditioned to work hard and believe that when we work hard, the success comes. That is, people in our generation, that is what the way we believe that work is designed. But being tired, we will work and get tired, and we get home and our children will ask us, mommy, daddy, I need this. We are like, look, I'm tired, I can't do this. Being tired is not the same thing as building wealth. When you see the successful people in the world of today, they know how to do this. They just go for automation. You think they can be everywhere in the world with their own business empire? It's not possible. That is not the way work goes anymore. You see, they automate and delegate. And that is exactly what we are doing in this business. We are automating our business. We are not stuck to a desk anymore. Our business is running in the background. And being in the survival mode is not sustainable anymore. And that is why we are calling on everyone, anybody watching us today. If you want to know more about this digital business, reach out to us and let's inform you about how this job world has, what this business has done for us. And at this point, I want to ask if Katarina still has something to round up, and then we can close the conversation. Thank you.
Thank you, sis. I have advice for everyone. If you are 40, over 40, getting closer to retire, and you are worried that you don't have a saving, this business, even a retire, will continue to bring income for you. You don't need experience. You don't need to be tech savvy. You don't need a business background. You're gonna learn as you go. We have a system that teach you. You have a video based, you follow step by step. You don't need to leave home. You're gonna study on your own pace. And there's a business, we have a, a community, a global community. As you can see, these ladies here, we are all in different countries. We are all in different part of the world. You'll never be alone. I'm inviting you, join us, sign with any of these ladies. You take care. We're gonna see you next time.
All right, Sister Abigail, do you want to say goodbye?
Yeah, what I want to end with is this is an opportunity. Don't miss it for anything. If we are doing it, it means you can. We are all professionals. We didn't quit our jobs. We still do our jobs and run this. And one thing I love about this business is it's flexible and I'm able to work around my children. And one day in the future, as my sister rightly said, it can be a retirement plan as well as a legacy for my children. They can continue. Your job cannot be given to your children, but this can be a legacy for your children. So find out more and let's show you what we are doing differently in the online space. Thank you.
Amazing. And on this note, I would let you know something, that exhaustion is not the solution. To be exhausted is not the solution. And overtime is not to have ownership of something when you do overtime. Okay? To be busy is not to be wealthy. And if your income stops, when you stop, and that is not time freedom, it's no more freedom. So please, thank you very much, and I hope we've been able to give you the value you are looking for, and hope to see you next time again. Take care, everyone. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.